Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some shepherd's pie with some truffle infused mashed potatoes. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications, and drop a like. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen and get it done. I'm going to start with 4 large potatoes and get those cut up and into the water and get them boiled. And here we're going with some garlic infused olive oil for our hamburger meat. I'm actually using ground chuck as well as ground sirloin. Going in with a little pepper and garlic powder. And a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire. After meat cooks, we're going to add some Trinity, which is onions, green peppers, and celery. We're going to add a tablespoon of garlic. And we're going to add our mixed vegetables of corn, carrots, peas, and green beans. Right here we're going in with some better than bouillon roasted beef base, about a tablespoon, and about 2 tablespoons of flour to help thicken everything up. Putting in about a ½ cup of water, and we're going to let that simmer down. Right here I'm also going to add a little bit of browning seasoning. And we're going to add some Cajun seasoning. You know, one of my favorites is Creole Kick. All the measurements will be in the description box below. Let's make our cream sauce for our mashed potatoes. Going in with some whipping cream and 1 package of cracked black pepper boursin. We're also going in 1 container of Philadelphia cream cheese, chive and onion, and 1 container of sour cream. We're going to let that heat up, and we're going to add our black truffle infused olive oil. You can find this in most grocery stores. Going in with a little salt and garlic powder. Into our potatoes, which have been drained. Going in with 1 stick of butter. We're going to mash our potatoes up. We're going to get our cream mixture and add a little at a time. Make sure we don't overmix these potatoes. Right here I'm seasoning to taste my potatoes with a little salt. And that is looking awesome. Into my skillet, I'm going in with my meat and vegetable mixture. And we're going to go on top of that with a cup of cheese, whatever cheese you'd like to use. On top of that, we'll put our mashed potatoes. on top of our mashed potatoes, we're gonna go in with another cup of cheese. We're gonna get this into the oven, 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And this is what we're looking like fresh out of the oven. Really simple dish, quick and easy. Please give it a try. Drop a comment, let me know how you like it. This dish is absolutely amazing. If you haven't had shepherd's pie, you gotta try it this way. With the truffle infused mashed potatoes, it adds a little extra to it. With that being said, I'm gonna get me a little taste and I will see y'all next week.